1964 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Real deal SS. One of the dead giveaways is 815 trim code on the car, so it's black buckets that were installed in an SS car. Underneath the hood, 327 V8 power. That's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive now. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work in the front of the car. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. One of my favorite wheel covers of all time, the true SS wheel covers. White wall radials. As far as the paint, I did notice there's a little spot up here, and I don't know if I can get it to show up in the camera. A little bit of a mismatch on the yellow. Paint shows its age a little bit, kind of checking in areas. And again, that's being pretty fussy. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, turn the key, go have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Bright work down the passenger side of the car. Nice shape. And check it out, fender flares. And don't worry if you don't like fender flares, they do come off. Also notice it had a padded dash. Oakland, California built car. Panel's nice and straight. There's a few spots where you may see a little nick, a little chip. No major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've seen. Bright work on the rear of the car, and chrome on the bumper, good shape. Dual exhaust. Flowmaster mufflers on it. Iconic rear end, of course. 63s and 4s. Very popular Impala body style. Paint coat in this car, KK, so this was a Goldwood yellow, top to bottom, when it was produced back in '64. Been with the same ownership for quite some time. Decided it was time to part with it, have somebody else enjoy it. A few maintenance items on this. Had a new battery in 2025, aluminum radiator and coolant flush in 2024. A couple technician notes on it. Rear windows did crank hard. Brakes straight, and the brakes are like they're new. Tires are decent shape, but getting up there in age, 2014, so just be aware of that. If you like Impalas, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's check out this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take it for a drive. All right, interior, you can see black vinyl bucket, center console. You'll be able to see the carpeting in the still pictures underneath the mats. It's in good shape. No rips, tears, holes that I've noticed. A little wear spot right there in the vinyl, but nothing major. Headliner in good shape, 6x9s in the rear, aftermarket stereo system, as well as gauge cluster down below the dash and steering column mounted tack. Let's fire this up. 327. As you can see, tack is working. I've not played around with the stereo. Looks like it powered up. And it is working. I would just have to get a station with a reception. Easier said than done. There we go.
This is a production of Living on the Edge Ministries.
So stereo is working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect water temp to be up. Oil pressure and vacuums. Ooh, nice low idle, and it sounds sounds good. Dash looks good. Door closes nicely. And listen to this. Good sounding Impala. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, and then like I said, Jason will take it for a drive and go for a virtual ride, if you will. Alright, there's a good look at the underside of the hood. Also nice and clean and tidy. There's the engine bay, that aluminum radiator we mentioned. Basically new AC Delco battery. 327 power steering, power brakes. Quadrajet 4mm on there it was. And you'll be able to do any decoding you'd like with the data plate, the VIN tag. That's all in the still pictures also. Looks like an HEI ignition back there. Nice running sounding car. Real deal too, 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS 2-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pics are. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful yellow 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Black interior with chrome, looking very good. Excuse a couple little droplets on the windshield. It's trying to sprinkle on us today. It just can't do it, but it's trying. Horns working well. Waiting for a little bit of traffic. We have an aftermarket auto gauge tachometer idling at 500 RPM. Very nice. Turn signal indicator working. Fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. Speedometer also working as it should. There's a clock on the right on the factory set dash. Vacuum gauge down here. Well, we're going down the road. That's reading 19, looks like. Oil pressure is 60 psi and the temperature about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That's working well. JVC stereo. That's working nicely as well. For the most part, from what I can see, a factory looking interior. The bucket seats, very comfortable. SS on the center console, SS on the doors. It's an automatic right here on the center console. The blower motor works. Wipers also working. Just enough droplets to show you that they work. Brakes nice and smooth. Corners very luxuriously. I did hear a tink. I believe that is just a piece in the trunk that moved around, a jack handle in the trunk. Beautiful car. You don't see that many in this color, and this one's in great shape and drives very nicely, absorbing all the road's imperfections. Perfect road tripping car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 64 Impala at UniqueClassicCars.com.